80 times faster this video. Okay, the lady who hired us live in Tampa. She called Sonia to clean 2 rocks areas. She mentioned that the rocks didn't have any kind of stains. The major situation is that they have a lot of hair, dust accumulated on the rocks. So I mentioned that it will be better to perform a deep vacuuming on the carpets and just light cleaning, like a very low moisture. Vacuuming is crucial before cleaning a rug or a carpet. Even if you vacuum really good, but you have to vacuum really good, it's gonna improve at least like 85%. Okay, so you are seeing me right now in fast mode. Maybe later I'm gonna put another video, try to record and show you how much dirt and dust we collect from the rocks. So you are seeing Sonia and Fiorella vacuum so many times the rock area. And the way that we vacuum is at least 4 times each side. We vacuum like 3 times each side. We remove a lot of dirt, sand from the rocks. And the way is north to south, then change, move to south to north, change again to west to east, and then east to west. Like, meaning you have see the video and you have to see how Sonia is moving or how Fiorella is moving side to side in different directions. Why different direction? Because you're gonna pull out all the dirt from the carpet and for the fabric, for all the fabrics that is on the rock area. Okay, so vacuuming is crucial. Never wet the rock if you don't perform a deep vacuuming. The second carpet, it was a shag carpet, really heavy. After doing a deep vacuuming in both rocks areas, we placed the rock on top of the rug. Some people hang the rock in an open space and beat the rock with the tennis racket. Beat the carpets, will lose all the dirt and dry soil and sand. Why we use the rug? Because we place the rock and we use a machine that is an orbital machine that scrubs but also vibrates. It's strong but at the same time can be gentle. The purpose is to vibrate or move the carpet, shake the carpet so we can see the dry soil beneath the rug, so it won't stick again into the carpets. That's the reason why we use the rug and we use the shaker or the machine to shake the rug. Now Sonia is vacuuming under the rug and we do the procedure twice. This rock area was small but a lot of dry soil, amazing. And the client was happy and we are so happy to see that it works perfect. I'm showing you right now, and I show the client how did it and how much soil we recover from the rock area. Thank you for watching us. To follow us, anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. We were happy that the client was most of the time outside with us, and she saw how we do it. She was happy, and we were really happy for the outcome, that it came really good. Even the client was really happy to see how we shake the carpet and how all the dust was beneath the rug. Thank you for watching again. Okay, bye.